This RE/MAX Select Property video is presented by Tracy Wisnant. Beautifully renovated 2-bedroom 2-bath wood-sided home on approximately 0.32 acre lot in City of Shelby. Open floor plan. With laminate and tile floors. Kitchen has stainless appliances, tile backsplash and center island with breakfast bar. The refrigerator and the beverage refrigerator both remain. There are French doors from the kitchen to the deck. Primary bedroom is spacious with a walk-in closet. Primary bath has dual vanities and a tile walk-in shower. Washer and dryer remain. The TVs in the living room and the bedrooms remain. The covered front porch is a great place for relaxing. The huge L-shaped rear deck is a great place for entertaining or just relaxing. The backyard is spacious. Home has new electrical and new plumbing. The roof was new in 2021. For more information,